dey watch una.
My people, Nigeria don't turn blinking danger map. Kidnap, crisis, tension everywhere. Hotspots full like fuel scarcity line. But instead make leaders join head. Them they trade blame like children for break time. North drag south, south drag federal. Now Nigerians they suffer the crossfire. Even for position side, heat there. Datti Drex say obedience they attacker. But truth be say, frustration don't choke everybody. Hunger no get party logo. Then as everywhere they hot, Remi Tinubu invite senators for luxury dinner. Child, country they born, but lawmakers they iron agbada for buffet. Now this kind elite disconnect, they pain Nigerians past the crisis itself. Government still they drop press statements like joke, but Nigerians just they ask, where the action? My people, shine your eyes, get your PVC, vote right, defend your vote 2027, and say no to GMO. Now truth go free us.
If you no laugh, you go learn.